How to turn on or turn off record heap dump with system tracing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on developer options. Then scroll down and tap on system tracing. Now in here, we turn on record trace. And then here, you'll be able to turn on record heap dump. And that's it. So here, tap to stop your heap dump file. So here we scroll down. So we can tap to share the recording. So a lot of them here have been sampled and saved. So we can tap on them to share the files. And that's it. So it is now switch off. To turn on, again, we start record trace and then switch it off, and this will become active. After that, you can record the heap dump. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.